incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. The gibbering and jabbering is highly unacceptable. Confess it's true that your efforts are forever corny. Rhyming blinded like you never saw me in your territory. Shitting up kids like a wicked witch. Flipping like a dojo of prolific ninjas walking on their fingertips. MCs get blown out just like a candle in the wind. Grappling with him and dragging out the man within. Lyrical syphilis to leave a whack MC extinct. I bet they didn't ever think repetitive could get them lynched. Rhymes designed to crack your back like a chiropractor with the violence factor moving faster than your mind can capture. Rappers have failed to know what happened as they're blown to fragments. I go and track them like I own a passion for harassment. Holding the torch that brings fire to your empire. Expression is black like the reflection of a vampire. When I'm coming through, you know there's no comparison to all the bogus challenges. Your flow is an embarrassment. Like macho men looking feminine in wedding gowns, getting emotional like they're ready to settle down. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. The gibbering and jabbering is highly unacceptable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. The gibbering and jabbering is highly unacceptable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible. 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 Filling your mental with suicidal intentions when I brutalize the section and scrutinize your profession. Intruding like infection, performing drunken malpractice until you're reeking like smoked haggis and stale cabbage. And you know my words are foul like a birth canal, iller than a serpent's mouth, lyrically versatile. Blast you in the genitals until your stomach's aching just for imitating. I'ma put you through some double glazing, bringing some discipline, lashing you with old bamboo, crushing every bone like a stone statue was thrown at you. Sizzle your eardrums, I'm sickening as queer fun, uncontrollably fearsome, swizzled off the clear rum. And you like multiple doses of plutonium. Funky as a jogger with BO and no deodorant. Putting up a struggle like Jack Russell's with no muzzle, leaving you confused like a slack frontin' but won't fuck you. I'm known for trapping rappers in the house of flying daggers. Incinerate the fakers like the fire-breathing dragon. I'm so precise like a mathematics soldier pilot. Bomb your whole alliance, radiate the ultraviolet. I'm incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. The gibbering and jabbering is highly unacceptable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. The gibbering and jabbering is highly unacceptable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible. Turning masterminds into a vegetable. Incredible.